YouTube, we back in the shop again. One thing we're doing today is mounting up the door panels on the car, wiring the speakers up, you know, that kind of thing. And I already painted up the door panels. So this one, so the door panel was like black. You'll see it in the, by the time this episode come out, you'll see what I'm talking about. So that's what it's gonna look like when it's all said and done. And that's gonna be it for a while because I gotta work on other things. Get your butt down. What are you doing? What are you doing, Lily? So yeah, you know the procedure. I'm finna put y'all on the stand. I'm finna get set up over here. I would turn the Lily, what is you? I'm gonna set y'all up on the stand. I would turn it on, let y'all hear, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so you know how that goes. So I'm gonna put y'all on this tripod, put y'all up, and you know what it is. You're gonna see me put this thing together. Gonna be hot like fire, and yeah, wipe everything down. Resecure this a little more. Feel like it's slightly loose. I got all weather felts, brand new on this thing. You still see the plastic coming off. Yeah, that's how we looking, man. And then I'm gonna do the AC, but I'm gonna probably let Total Performance do it. That's who did the tune. And I'm gonna let him rewire behind that dash. But I'm gonna do that like later down the line, probably next year sometime. After I do that, I'm just gonna do the rest of the front suspension on it. Tighten up the front bumper. It'll be ins and outs, you know, suspension, front suspension. Tighten up that steering, 'cause it's like mad loose. And I'll worry about the frame knife from 2 years from now or something, 'cause save some money up, do some other stuff, 'cause man, I like my bill, but I don't have no sponsor. So I'm gonna cut y'all off, cut y'all back on. Give me a minute. Be right back with you. We back. Got y'all set up for y'all can see what's going on. Yeah. So hopefully it won't be in the way, because I gotta pre-drill these holes for this panel. Hi. So I'm just gonna stick this up here, and then I'm gonna see what it look like. Mark it up. See what it look like. This is the hard part right here, because you gotta try to do all this by yourself. So then And I covered over my hose like an idiot. Oh my God, I covered over my hose. Pull this up a little bit. Pull this up a little bit. One hole. One hole. Why I cover my hole, girl? I cover my hole. Found my hose for the panel. Getting old, need light, can't see. You need light. You need light. Drill my holes. Come on. Come on, don't bite me. Come on, man. Go. Okay. Put it on my hole right here. Mm-hmm. Man, how to drill me? What? Go play. Go play. Play chicken now. Right? Go pedal your bike. Go pedal. I said no. I said no. I got some PBRs, but they too thick. I can't put them in there, man. They're just too thick. I'm gonna try to make something shake, but right now they're just too thick. Let's see if I can catch that. Okay. Just too thick. Let's see what I can make shake right here. Man, I broke my drill bit yesterday in the door over there. I should go buy a drill bit to do it the right way. But the drill bit it up. I'm not doing this. Probably go to the store real quick. I'm gonna cut y'all. I'll cut y'all back on. I gotta go to the store get a drill bit. I broke my drill bit. I don't wanna mess up the door panels trying to do it this way. I'll be right back with y'all. We off to the store. Gonna get some drill bits, Harbor Freight. My helper, she said her leg hurt. All right, we gonna get back with y'all. All right, we back. I did a little bit of extra before I got back on here with you guys. Well, you know me. You already know what I do. So if you wanted to see, my bad. But you already know what I do. That's what we're looking like. All wrapped up, man. Just gonna get the grills, the knob. It's all wrapped up, man. All wrapped up. All wrapped up. All wrapped up. Only thing I gotta do is test the speakers and make sure they're working. I already put the capacitors back there for the block the bass, cause these ain't nothing but some little 50 watters. When I go see the dude who built my box, I'm gonna see if he can make me some bigger pods. Well, some kind of panel piece. I ordered some from Amazon, but them things ain't working, man. Hey, I gotta send them back, get my money. Get my monies nice and tight. you know, these they get the job done. When I bought these things, it came with them, so you know what I mean. They ain't no killers, but I ain't trying to shut down the block. I'm just trying to play my old school. Trying to play my old school. I ain't trying to hurt nobody. Old school music. At least I better hear it over the pipes until I get the center console put in. I found this one guy over here in Kissimmee, Florida. Like he do a pretty good job, so I'm gonna let him do his little razzle dazzle. I'll be right back. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta test the speakers. That's it. I can't play no music while I'm recording because YouTube copyright you. Huh?
What happened, dear?
I gotta hook the speakers up.
Huh? What's going on?
Don't do that, man. Please. I'm recording, so don't come over here doing that inappropriate.
Inappropriate. And that's inappropriate to you?
Yeah, because I'm trying to record. You doing something inappropriate. You could have gave me a kiss and kept going. Where you got my stick from? Get that button. Get out here. That's it, guys. This is what we're looking like now. This is what we're looking like. So I'm gonna test it out, and I just had to hook up the amplifier, but I'm gonna get all this real nice. I'm gonna do a review on that. So I'm gonna turn it on. If you follow me on Ron's Custom Whip IG, I'm gonna put it up in the description. You'll better see what it sounds like on IG. So I'm gonna turn it on because I can't do it. Like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Good. Just say goodbye. Say goodbye. Come on. Don't be shy. That's that on that, guys. Like, subscribe, like Lady said, comment. Let me know if I need to tweak things, what you don't like, what you do like. I don't take comments or anything personal. So I'm just trying to critique my channel and try to give y'all what y'all need to see and what y'all want to see. But ultimately, I'm going to put up what I want to put up. But just give me your opinions, you know. Like, comment, share. Peace.